Hello, hi, good evening. So here today we are going to discuss about the plumbing model. It's very important for any house, and I'm going to show you how to create a plumbing model. So here what I have is the live plumbing model here. Okay, you can see here. So this is a plumbing view, so that everything is in gray underlay settings, and only the pipe is visible. Only the pipe is visible. So I can show you how to create this file. So before I'm just going to explain how this project works. So with respect to the water supply and drainage and sewage outlet, I'm going to explain everything. Then we'll see how to create the model. Okay. So why should we learn plumbing modeling? Because today uh, a company is expecting a modeler to model architecture, structure, and MEP also. In MEP, if it is a residential building or a domestic building, we'll say the plumbing is very important. And the next one is electrical. Electrical item we have already learned how to do it. Um, so we have learned is only the lighting part. So if you want to learn more in deep, then you can learn. Okay, so today we are focusing on plumbing. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so here, so for this building, we are expecting the water supply and drainage outlet. Okay, so first the water should come inside. Okay, so this is a street. I'm going to show you in two views so that you can understand better. If you are an architect or a structural modeler, you may not be used to this plumbing view. That's okay. So here I can show you, this is the model. This is a coordination view in realistic mode. And actually I have a water tank, underground water tank. Here you can see here, this is a water tank. Okay. So we are taking a pipe inside. Okay. So the public water supply will come from the road, from the street it comes in. So it can come in any corner, or it can pass through your street. So so I'm just showing you an outlet, outlet location. Oh, sorry, I'm just showing an inlet location. Okay, so water is coming inside. Okay, it's an inlet pipe. Okay, the water is coming inside, then it will be saved in the underground water tank. So water tank capacity, I'm not telling you how much it is, how much we need. Those engineering parameters you will receive from the engineers. uh, but if you're a modeler, then you have to model this tank as a plumbing equipment category. Okay, just to model this tank, I can show you how I have modeled. So this is my uh, family. Okay, if I go here, then you can see this is a plumbing equipment category. Okay, so you can also create this family. Then this water should go up to the water tank. Okay, so I have created a water tank model also. Here you can see this is a water tank model. Okay, the water should go to the water tank. Okay, so water tank is kind of 1000 higher than the roof level. So here you can ask an structural engineer to provide the support, so that they will do. The services engineer should show how their pipes are running and how the plumbing equipment is placed. Okay, once you place the water tank, then you can route your the motor and the vertical pumping routing also you can show. The pipe is coming till here and it goes to the water tank. Then we have the outlet. Okay, so outlet pipe size I have given 28 mm. for all the inlet and outlet pipe. Okay, so this is a water supply pipe. So this supply pipe I'm showing in blue color. Okay, so fresh water inlet pipe I'm showing in cyan color. Then the water is supplied through this blue color pipe. Okay, from the water tank it comes outside. Okay, I can show you the water from the tank. The pipe is coming outside. Then it goes inside the toilet area. So in the toilet area, we have WC and wash basin, WC wash basin, and the for bathing also we have the shower and the tap. So, so here I can show an arrangement of hot water and cold water arrangement, but that's not shown for now. Even the water heater also not placed. Okay, so usually that arrangement is a little bit different. Okay, um, so here I have shown only the cold water. It goes to the wash basin and WC. The same pipe goes to all the toilet and here to the kitchen also. Okay, this is a kitchen sink. So it comes to the bottom of the sink. So from there they take a flexible pipe to connect to a sink. Okay, so then the water is supplied. So once the water is used, then that water will come through the drainage system, right? So this is a drainage system. From the sink the water is coming down. Okay, so from the sink, from the floor trap, the water is going to come outside. It's a sanitary line. Okay, so that drainage pipe goes to the manhole. So once the pipe is going to the manhole, then it will be taken out through an underground pipe. This is an underground pipe. So this is used for the waste and soil pipe. Okay, so we have a sanitary pipeline and the rainwater pipe. You can see here. So we have two terrace in our model. So one is top terrace and one is lower terrace. So from both the terrace, we need to give rainwater pipe. So this is one rainwater pipe, and we have another one for the lower terrace here. So two rainwater pipe. This one and this one. Okay. Here I can show you. It's here and here. Okay. So then this green pipe is the soil pipe. Soil means so from the WC the waste should come out, right? So that piping I have done here. So straight pipe, then it goes to the manhole, then it comes outside. Actually, most of the house they will have a septic tank. So in case of a septic tank, then we have to route this pipe to a septic tank. Actually, this soil pipe we cannot directly connect to a manhole. We need a filter pit. So from there we can connect to the manhole. Here I have not shown any filter pit, but check the filter pit arrangement. The pipe should go to the filter pit and only the water should go to the manhole. And water will go out. The solid waste will be there in the pit that will be cleaned up every 5 year or 10 year. Okay. So that filter pit arrangement I have not shown here. So two things I have not shown. One is the hot water shower pipe, hot water and cold water shower pipe, and one more is the filter arrangement I have not shown. So this is just a concept. So this is actually the a sketch for the plumbing model. So once we have all the concept, then we can go for the schematic drawing. the schematic drawing, how to develop to that you might have a doubt. So schematic drawing can be developed in a drawing view. So it's a plain white paper. So here you can use lines to draw the schematic uh, diagram. Okay, so initially you need to have a concept. So try to make a model of plumbing, all the systems, water inlet, sanitary and soil pipe. Draw all the pipe, then you'll have a better idea how this plumbing system works in the building, whether it's a single branch or a dual branch. Then you can put number of pipe, then you can show the same in the schematic drawing. Okay, so this one I have created. So for this house, I'm going to show you the steps how to make the model. I'm going to show you. Okay, so let me close this model. So I'm going to create a new plumbing model. Let's go to new and take a plumbing template. So this template is already available in the default library. Okay, so file is created and save the file. Okay, and save the file. Once the file is saved, then you can link the architecture model. You can link the architecture model. So from there you can copy the levels and grids, and you can also copy the plumbing fixtures, and if there is any piping is done in the architecture model, you can copy them. Okay, so we need the browser, project browser, and properties, right? Let's go to the elevation view. So here I don't see any architecture level. Better take a section, go to the view. Now you can see all the architecture levels. This is the architecture model. We have lots of levels there. So the two levels we have in this model, we can actually just align these. Okay, now we can copy other levels from the architecture model. Let's go to collaborate and copy monitor. Select a link. So I'm selecting the architecture link, then copy and copy the level. So you can see this symbol here. This means this level is being monitored. If the level is changed in the architecture file, then you will get a notification in the plumbing model. Okay, so ground level also I can copy, and I already have level 0 and level 1 level, so I can just monitor. So to monitor, select the level and then select the architecture link level, and you can see the symbol. Select the current model level and link level, and it is monitored. Okay, then finish. So now we have created all the levels. Okay, so if you can't see them in the project browser, go to the view, then go to plan views, go to floor plan and select all the views. So you can see all the views here now. Okay, then so we have to copy all the plumbing fixture. You can copy the plumbing fixture, or you don't have to copy. It's up to you how do you want to do it. And go for collaborate and go for copy monitoring. Select the link, select the architecture link. Now go for copy, and you can copy all the plumbing fixtures. You can also give batch copy. So copy the fixture, you can copy the fixture, or you can copy the fixture and map to another family type. So you can see here, in case if you're copying anything like plumbing equipment, and copy individually or copy original, or if you want to map to a different family, then you can copy. So this is a settings. Actually you can directly copy, better go for a copy, batch copy, copy the pictures, select, then all the WC families will be copied. Here also it is copied already, and I will show you. So we just copied here, right? Now if I select, so this is not copied. It's the same family, but they are not copied. Let me just check in the 3D view. Only one item is copied. Okay, let's do the same again. Select copy and copy elements. Okay, so they are copied now. So you can also copy for this toilet. Go to the second level, then copy items again. They are copied now. Finish. Some items are not copied. I'm going to copy them again. Select, select, finish. Element already been copied. Stop existing monitoring. Copy again. Okay, it's showing that it's already copied. Okay, so these are already copied, but their levels are different. Sometimes mistakes can happen. So check once they are copied. If please check once. I think there are two, but their levels are different. Okay, once you copy, you can also actually copy paste to the next level. Select all of them, copy and align to selected level, level 1. Okay, they are copied. Now we have to draw the pipe. So we should copy the kitchen sink also, but these things are architecture family, so they don't have any pipe connection here. Okay, so I'm showing for an example how to copy the item. So once you copy, then you can start drawing the piping. Go to systems, then go for pipe and start drawing the pipe. So you can just start drawing in any level. Okay, all you need to know is there is a pipe. Okay, then you can take a section, then you can draw vertically. Go to view. So this is the pipe. So this is the pipe here. Okay, so WC, if you take a WC, some pipes are taken just horizontally, some pipes are taken vertically down. So it depends on the product what we use in the project. Okay, so draw a pipe vertically. So we have to use the same pipe for the lower level also, right? Just drag till here, and you can actually remove these. Then you can take another section. Okay, the same pipe will go till the top for the vent. CO. I'm copying the same to the bottom. Now Go to the plumbing again, draw the pipe. So we have to draw somehow horizontally. So move this pipe here. Draw a line in case if you want to match the alignment. Just move. It has to be in a line. Draw another section. So we have to take all the sections to see in a different angle. Okay, so I have drawn another angle. Okay, so this pipe supposed to be 45-degree in angle. Okay, and then extend, and now they are connected. I can also change the pipe system, sanitary, soil and waste, and you can see them in color. Go to 3D view and you can see here how the pipes are modeled. Pipe is coming out and goes in an angle. Okay, so this is how we have to model. So we have to take lots of sections to model. So this is how we have to model. You can keep drawing, it will take time. Have patience, complete the model, complete all the model. So once you complete the model, then you can see the model like this. Okay, I have also done the same here. You can see the pipe. Actually, I have taken it downward here. Okay, so one by one, you start drawing the modeling and then assign systems. So what are the systems we need? Let me show you. System 1, the pipe is going to the groundwater tank. Then another system, the pipe to the top water tank. This one is called the cold water. Okay, so here you can see pipe systems. So you can duplicate the existing system type and you can rename domestic cold water. I have duplicated and renamed as domestic cold water to tank. Okay, so from the tank and whatever the pipe is coming outside, I have named them as domestic cold water system. So in case if you want to give a different color for the pipe, go to type properties and change graphic. You can change the color here. And so domestic cold water we have. Then once you're using that water for bathing or any other item, it's called a sanitary. Okay, so this is a sanitary system, and sanitary water will go to the manhole. Then we have WC, the soil pipe. So we need a vent pipe also for all the water pipe and soil pipe. We need a vent pipe. Okay, actually the P trap we have to provide, but the latest WC will not require a P trap. Okay, but it's again up to your engineer how they want to provide. And then we have rainwater drainage, rainwater pipe system. So then we have a kitchen outlet pipe, the water inlet and kitchen outlet pipe we have. That's all for the house project. So in case if you have a doubt, then you can ask me in the comments. Okay, try creating a plumbing model, link the architecture model, copy all the levels and whatever you need. If you need family, you can copy from there, and then you can start routing your pipe. Okay, so route the pipe. You can use a 28 mm small pipe for all the water inlet and outlet. And for the soil pipe, you can use 60 mm or above 60 mm. For rainwater pipe, you can use 150 mm or 100 pipe. Okay, so and once you finish, your model is ready. Actually, this is just a concept level, and then you have to go for schematic drawing. Once the schematic drawing is ready, and if all the routings are finalized, then you can go for fabrication model. Mostly that's not required because we are going to provide a drawing, then another contractor going to do the quantity estimation. So this schematic model is enough for a design concept level. Okay, so if you have time, then I will surely see about fabrication model in another video. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.